Hey everyone. So, at the end of a long day, what are you going to clean your face with? What am I going to clean this mess of a face with? I was sweaty today. I'm all oily and yucky. Everyone, I think, knows by now that my all-time favorite is my body cloth. So, I love this. Get it warm. Wash your face with water only. So no more cleansers, no more makeup wipes, no more anything loaded with chemicals that I used to use. I can eliminate by just using my body cloth, and it feels so good. And I know I have probably told you this, but I do that numerous times a day when my face is just feeling yucky. I got some of the new ones in, so I love the originals, yet look at the stripes. And if you could feel them, I love the new striped body cloths. They have a little bit of a texture to them because they are striped, and they just feel wonderful. So body and face. They come graphite. I think there's a purple and then the teal. Feel wonderful. The other thing I love to do, usually about once a week. So you can use this exfoliating facial mitt more than that. You can do it like twice a week, yet I find I have very sensitive skin and I tend to get rosacea, and it's all from stress. I wonder what's that? Everybody knows. So get it wet and then very, very gently, I will remove the dead skin cells, and it just rejuvenates, feels great. I love to do this because it just feels like I'm pampering myself. It's got makeup cloth on one side, but the exfoliator, I mean, your skin just tingles and it makes it feel extra clean. So lastly, I've got to remove eye makeup. I can use, and there's great choices. Norwex makes at least, I've got 3 different ones to show you. So I can stick with my body cloth. And as you can see, I use it frequently for removing my makeup. I like that. Then your other choice is the makeup removal cloths. These come 3 to a set. They're very suede type finish. I borrowed this one from my daughter because this is her favorite. Needs a deep clean, yet it still does the job. I personally still prefer the body cloth for removing my eye makeup, but for some reason, both my daughters prefer the makeup removal cloths. They're soft. Again, they have that suede texture. So those are great. And how about this? I love these little guys. So this is the best of both. They're the little mini facial pads, makeup removal on one side, body cloth on the other. So think of these as replacing cotton balls. So if you were like me, and I used to use, I think it was Maybelline, eye makeup removal, and I would use a cotton ball. Every time I did that, I always felt, and maybe it's my eyes, but they're a little sensitive, but I always felt like I was leaving a film on my eyes, and it drove me crazy. So these little guys come in a set of 5, and off comes the makeup again with, can you see I'm removing? It's coming off with water only. So, and I can use either side, and again, kind of gives you the best of both. So it's coming right off. You can see I've got it. I'm going to rinse it under with a little bit of the Norwex dish soap, put a little bit of that on here and just scrub it, hang them to dry, or just lay them out to dry. They come 5 to a set. They come with a little cute netted little pouch that you can use in the washing machine. So these are going to go in with your regular Norwex cloths. There's 5. So again, you can use them once a day and then throw them all in on the weekend, or they have backlock. So I could rinse this, get it a little bit cleaner, obviously, and set it aside and use it again tomorrow, because the backlock in there will help. So it will self-purify the cloths. So again, makeup on one side, body cloth on the other. Time to pamper yourself, and it feels great every night. So get some clean skin. Bye.